Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Bible Hill is a community located in Colchester County in central Nova Scotia, directly beside the town of Truro. Although Bible Hill has its own local government and identity, it forms part of the larger Truro area and shares many services, businesses, and transportation connections with the surrounding region. The community has a population of roughly 5,000 people and is known for education, agriculture, sports, and its location along the Salmon River Valley. The history of Bible Hill dates back to the 18th century when settlers moved into the region following the establishment of British control in Nova Scotia. Before European settlement, the area was home to indigenous Mi'kmaq communities who used the nearby rivers, forests, and wetlands for travel, fishing, and seasonal activities. European settlers later established farms and small communities throughout the fertile lands surrounding present-day Truro and Bible Hill. The unusual name Bible Hill has several stories connected to its origin. One of the most widely repeated local traditions says the name came from a traveler or soldier who lost a Bible in the area during the 18th century. Over time, the name became associated with the hillside settlement and remained part of the community identity as the village developed. Agriculture has long been one of the defining parts of Bible Hill's history and economy. The surrounding farmland supported dairy farms, livestock operations, and crop production for generations. Today, the community remains strongly connected to agricultural education and research through the Dalhousie University Agricultural Campus, formerly known as the Nova Scotia Agricultural College. The campus has trained students in farming, animal science, environmental studies, and agricultural business for more than a century. Bible Hill experienced major growth during the 20th century as nearby Truro expanded into a regional transportation and service center. New residential areas, schools, businesses, and community facilities developed throughout the area. The construction of highways and improved transportation routes helped strengthen connections between Bible Hill, Truro, Halifax, and the rest of Nova Scotia. The Salmon River and nearby tidal waterways help shape the geography of the area. Bible Hill is located within the Bay of Fundy watershed, where some of the highest tides in the world influence local rivers and marshlands. Seasonal flooding has occasionally affected parts of the community throughout its history, especially during periods of heavy rainfall and snowmelt. Local infrastructure improvements have helped reduce some of these flood risks over time. Housing development in Bible Hill has increased steadily during recent years as more people move to smaller communities across Nova Scotia. The area is often seen as more affordable than Halifax while still offering access to schools, healthcare, shopping, and regional transportation routes. Average house prices in Bible Hill and the surrounding Truro area have generally ranged between $300,000 and $450,000 in recent years, depending on the size, age, and location of the property. Bible Hill benefits from its location near Highway 102 and other major transportation routes that connect central Nova Scotia. Residents can travel relatively easily to Halifax, New Glasgow, Amherst, and Cape Breton. The nearby Truro Rail Corridor also reflects the region's long history as one of the transportation hubs of Atlantic Canada. Today, Bible Hill reflects a combination of rural history, educational development, and modern suburban growth. The community continues to evolve while remaining connected to the farmland, rivers, and transportation routes that shaped central Nova Scotia for generations. Thanks for watching!